we've had a bloody nightmare. I'll spin you around. I'll show you what I mean. So I've got all these bits out of this Touareg to fix a flat control motor for this up here. So the motor that controls that. So here's the old one. It was seized, so I popped it open and unseized it because I'm good like that. But we replace it, right? Because it might seize again. So I've got a new motor. In fact, I'll plug the old one in so we can see just what I mean. So it goes into this little plug just here, you can see. So that's plugged in, right? And we'll go over to the out scan tool and we'll clear the DTCs. Yeah, all good, bosh. No trouble code. She's golden, right? And everything will work. Perfect, right? We put the new one in. So this, remember, this is the old one. Old one, new one, all boxed. Pristine, shiny condition. Let's get this one plugged in. It's always good fun one-handed. There we go. Plugged in. Read DTCs. No signal. Work that one out. Clear DTCs, just because it's been unplugged, we'll do it. No signal. New parts failed. Work. Honestly, this is what we're up against. Brand new parts failed. So I could have not done my due diligence, not tested it, put it all back together, and then gone, oh wow, it don't work. So it shows you guys that we are up against it as well. When we get a new part, you'd think a new part would work fine. There's my situation, guys. So new part ordered. Should be here tomorrow. And then I can finish the original video off that I'm filming. So this is like a little side quest. See you in the next one, guys.